Let's go up Fish Club, baby. 2026. First fishing tournaments of the year. Got Justin and Wayne out there. Got some newbies. Josh and Ashley. Chris Moore. Big weed. Getting ready. Getting dialed in. Look at her. Let's get it.
301 lines up.
Lines up, 301.
301 lines up. All right, ready? Hit it.
Woo! Go.
One more time. Huh? One more time.
Brandon, what we got going on right now?
Dude, we got 2 fish in the boat.
Two fish in the boat.
Aaron just back to
Back, 2 of them. 2 of them on a spinnerbait. Show them.
That's one of them, and that's the other one.
Ew.
Let's go.
Colorado, baby, for the win. Ew. Tearing them up over here.
Dude, let's go.
Hit clear scale. No, at the touchscreen. Yep.